Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Natalie Bullock and I make beauty content, lifestyle content. I am married, so you will see a lot of family content. And I'm just basically making my transition from my channel being all nails to being more lifestyle because I no longer do nails full time. So like I said, if you're new, welcome. So glad to have you here. If you are a long-term subscriber, so glad to see you back. I know it's been a while, but I'm trying to get back more consistent here on my channel, especially now since we are going to have a new member of the family. And so I want to be able to share my journey with you guys. But anyways, as you guys seen by the title of the video, I am going to be unboxing my new purse because let me tell y'all, so I always wear like very small purses to where all I can fit in there is my wallet, my chapstick or lip gloss, and my keys. That's it. That's all I need on an everyday basis. But now that I'm about to be a mommy, a mamacita, I need something a little bit bigger, but not too big because my diaper bag is like this big, y'all. So I don't need nothing else too big to carry around. And so I ended up getting a Teddy Blake purse because I already have one and I absolutely love the material. I love the different styles that they have and I love that price tag as well. So this is the one that I already have. I can't remember the exact style of it, but I've had this one for like 4 years now. Maybe like 3 years. And this is actually like more of like my travel bag because it is pretty big and it almost gives like Birkin vibes. And like the leather is real leather. They are crafted in Italy. And so the factory that they're actually made in is actually the same factory that a lot of these name brand, like big name brands, are made at as well. And so you know that they're good quality. But yeah, so this is usually the bag that I take with me anytime that I'm traveling because it's so big and it fits so much in here. The only thing about this one is that anytime, like, when you're at the airport, everything is like quick, 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 quick. So the only thing about this one is that when I carry it around, you gotta undo this, undo that, then you gotta do that, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, and it just becomes a little too much for me. So that's the only thing about it. But like I said, I only wear this one when I'm traveling so I can fit my headphones, my tablet, my phone, my all of my little essentials that I need. This one definitely gets the job done. But the one that I got this time, I did end up going with black as well because pretty much all of my other purses are like tan. Y'all, this fly. I just killed one and now it's another one. It's gonna disturb my peace. 1 second. Your cousin should have told you I already took him out. I'm about to take you out too. Okay, but anyway, so all of my purses that I have are either like brown or nude. And so I wanted to go with another black one that I can just wear on a regular basis as well. I don't really do too much color. And so it was either going to be tan or it was going to be black. And so, yeah, let's not too much talking. Let's get to it. So for one of the things that I really like about Teddy Blake is that they still give you the luxury feel, even though, like I said, the price tag is not so luxury, but you still get the big box with the Teddy Blake New York logo on there. Yeah, it's heavy. Okay, there you go. Alrighty, so here it is. As you guys can see, even though you don't pay that big luxury price tag, you still get the luxury experience with the bag, the dust bag, and just the purse overall. Because when you open it, I don't know about y'all, but I love the smell of new leather, and that's what we're about to experience. So come on. Alrighty, y'all. So, what do y'all think of my new purse? I personally absolutely love it. It smells so good. Like I said, I don't know why, but I just love the smell of new leather. It just smells so good to me for some reason. But my favorite part, which I'm pretty sure it'll probably be some of you guys' favorite part as well, is the red interior. They did have a few purses that had the red interior as well, but like I said, I ended up choosing this one because it's like a medium size, which I'll put the two side by side. I want to say this one's a 12. Well, I know this one's a 12 inch. I want to say that this one is a 14 inch. So, like I said, this one I feel like it's more suitable for like everyday wear, and the inside just gives grown and sexy. But I do have a promo code for you guys. I'll be sure to leave that information right here on the screen so you guys can go check them out. So if you're looking for a luxury purse without the luxury price tag, then Teddy Blake is definitely worth looking into. They have tons of different purses that you can pick from, tons of colors, tons of style. I was also in between the same purse, but like the I don't know if it almost gives like alligator texture, but I feel like that one it gives grown. Like right now I just need grown. Like but I feel like those give grown. And so I ended up, like I said, picking this one. But this one is the Vanessa Palmellato. I hope I'm saying that right. And like I said, they are handcrafted in Italy, and they are just so beautiful. So I can't wait to style my purse and transfer everything over to this one. It also, I'm pretty sure you guys seen it, but it also has that pocket in the middle for my wallet. I'm always very paranoid about me losing my wallet, so that'd be great for that. And then of course it did come with the straps, so whether you just want to carry it around or you want to put the straps on, which a lot of the time I do always put straps on my purses because I like to just hang it around. Depending on what I'm doing or depending on where I'm going, I'll do it like crossbody. But if it's like I'm going out to dinner or something, like I'ma just carry the purse in my hand. But I'll show you guys what it looks like with the strap. And of course the strap, y'all can't do nothing with these nails. And they're not even long. Okay, there we go. So let's see, let's buckle this up. Alrighty. So just like that. And like I said, you can adjust the strap to make it a little bit shorter. But I feel like for me, this right here is a good length. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me and my Teddy Blake purse. Like I said, I'll be sure to leave all of the information down below if you too are looking for a good purse, because you definitely can't beat luxury without the luxury price tag. I know I keep saying that, but I promise it's definitely worth it. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.